McKay Show here on RadioOnFire.com. Thank you for joining me. Of course, we're broadcasting from the Radio on Fire studios here in Baltimore, Maryland. And today is 24 hours before Jussie Smollett is back in court. Nikki in the building. How you doing, Nikki?
Hey, good.
You know what I have a problem with? I'm wearing a red shirt. Jussie's wearing a red shirt. The hell is going on?
Great minds think alike. Woo!
There's no thinking like Jussie. Goddamn it! So,
you sure?
Text messages offer new insight as to why the Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx recused herself from the Jussie Smollett case. So she recused herself after having a conversation with a relative of Jussie Smollett about the case. Why the hell is she talking to people from his family? What is going on?
I think she did that on purpose. Maybe she just felt sorry for Jussie. She didn't want to be a part of this shenanigans and this circus.
I know several state's attorneys. Not in Chicago, but here in Maryland. And they don't feel sorry for people like that. The ones I know.
But that's not her. She might have felt some. Because why? She's clearly intelligent because of the position she holds. So why would you do that?
I don't know. The family claims that they were worried about leaks in the investigation and reached out to the state's attorney, Kim Foxx, through a politically connected lawyer. What is going on here? There are people in the comment sections and on social media that claim that this Jussie Smollett thing was politically motivated and that this whole thing is bigger than Jussie. And people that are running for president on the Democratic side put him up to this to cause some kind of confusion in Trump's America.
So Jussie was used as a pawn?
Used as a pawn. Some people feel like that. Like a conspiracy, right?
Wow. Okay.
I don't normally subscribe to that philosophy, but when you have the family reaching out to the state's attorney through politically connected lawyers, that sounds like some weird stuff. No?
And it's even weirder that she entertained the conversation.
That's not normal.
No, it's not.
You know what I mean? So you have a statement from, who's this statement from?
This is from the Cook County State's Attorney. Said that Kim Foxx announced her recusal on February 20th.
Right.
And that same day, a spokesperson released a statement to ABC News telling them, so ABC News.
Okay.
That's what this is from. ABC News telling them, out of an abundance of caution, the decision to recuse herself was made to address potential questions of impartiality based upon familiarity with potential witnesses in the case.
Right.
What?
Yeah. So she had to recuse herself because she had become familiar with people who are going to testify on behalf of Jussie Smollett. So she's going to be the person arguing the case for the state. And you can't talk to the witnesses. That's crazy about the case.
But why would she? Once again, why would she do that? Well, I know people say why. I ask why, but I always ask why. Why would she do that?
Yeah, I don't know. Something smells corrupt. So the family claims that they wanted Foxx to ask the Chicago police to request that the FBI take over the lead in the investigation. First of all, that's not the way things go.
Right.
And in a statement today, the FBI said that they have been working on the investigation from day one. There was never a point where the FBI could take over the investigation because there was no evidence produced to support that Jussie Smollett was the victim of a hate crime. The FBI only takes over if it's a hate crime.
Right.
And self-hate ain't no crime. Because that's the only hate that happened here was self-hate. Well, everybody has real hate for Jussie now.
I don't hate him.
You don't hate Jussie. Well, most people.
I don't hate Jussie. I just know that he has a problem. Something else is going on with Jussie. Jussie has a problem.
In the words of the great Mr. T, no, I don't hate Jussie, but I pity the fool.
Oh, my.
And he's going to be back in court tomorrow. Cameras are allowed. This is going to be wonderful.
Wait, are they? So cameras are allowed. Are they actually showing it live?
The cameras are going to be allowed. So we'll see what else happens after that. They said the cameras are going to be allowed. So
okay.
Wonderful. But thank you. We're gonna revisit this.
Yes.
After we hear some more evidence, we'll see. How do you feel about Jussie now? Same? You're indifferent? You want to wait and see what happens?
Well, I definitely know he's a liar. He's definitely a liar.
You've made so much progress.
I have. I've come to the painful realization that Jussie Smollett is a liar.
Well, everybody knew that.
Well, it took me a minute. I mean, I got here, but it took me a minute.
So you just realized that he was a liar, but do you think he was lying about this?
Well, that's why he's a liar, because he was lying about this.
Fair enough. Okay. Well, thank you. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, @The Dominic Hayes Show, @Radio on Fire.